Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Minra Ijaz and this is the speech about this pandemic COVID-19. And the title is Stay Home, Stay Safe. Since World Health Organization has declared COVID-19 a pandemic, it has become a serious tragedy for the modern world. China and America, the two main leading powers, are in a serious political crisis due to the spread of this virus. It all started from a small town of China, Wuhan, and now it has spread all over the world. Moreover, all over the world, thousands of people have lost their precious lives to this pandemic. Now, the situation in China is quite better due to the strict lockdown and the government policies. Since the vaccine of this virus is still not discovered, the only thing that can protect us from this virus is social distancing. By staying home, not only we can save our lives, but we can protect others too. Will we be able to perform a role of responsible citizens? This is the question. Words cannot describe how this virus has affected our lives. Although this lockdown has paralyzed many sectors of life, but it has some perks as well. We can spend a lot of time with our families at home and we shall engage ourselves in different kind of activities. For example, we shall learn a language through internet. We can do painting, book reading, etc. Instead of complaining about this lockdown, we can do some productive stuff to kill this time. Ramzan. It is a month of blessings. Since most of us are living away from our homes in hostels, now this Ramzan we can spend at home peacefully and pray that this tough time too shall pass. People in different countries are staying home and defeating Corona. Shall we stay home and beat Corona too? Without following social distancing rules, we can never get back our normal life. If we strictly follow such measures, we will hopefully get out of this lockdown soon. That's it. That was the speech. And now I will talk about the devices that I have used in this speech. The first device that I have used is Aerothema, that is asking a rhetorical question to our reader. The second device that I have used is aphoria, which is talking about something and not being able to talk about it. The third device that I've used is anaphora. It is repetition of beginning clauses. And the fourth device is epistrophe, which is the repetition of the words, the concluding words. And the last device that I have used is oxymoron, that is the paradox. That's it. That was the speech and the devices. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Allah Hafiz.